So you've just got an email saying Insta360 wants to collab with you. Sound exciting, right? But is it the real deal or just another phishing scam pretending to be legit? But disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Insta360 is a real and trusted camera brand, but here's the catch: scammers are impersonating them. Several creators on Reddit and YouTube communities have reported emails offering partnerships, free cameras, or paid content deals that turn out to be fake. Some of these even link to sketchy clone websites or ask for shipping fees upfront. The real Insta360 doesn't usually reach out from generic Gmail accounts or ask for personal info upfront. If the email isn't from their official domain or just feels off, it probably is. The collaboration emails are often scams, especially if they come from weird looking addresses or pressure you to act fast. If you are unsure, contact Insta360 directly or check your verified accounts for real campaigns. Got one of these emails too? Let us know in the comments. Stay sharp and don't let the scammers get you.